Whenever a customer clicks on a blank product, they are taken to one of two pages. Either they are taken directly to the design tool to begin adding text or designs to a product, or they are taken to what's called the blank product page. And if you think about it, that means these two pages are extremely important as every product is going to go through them. So if you come over to Pages, over here on the left, you will see Product within the System pages, View Blank Product. So again, every blank product can go through this page if they are then taken to the Design tool. But it's also possible to bypass this page. Now, essentially, it is like the Design tool in that it has a widget that can only be used on this page. You can't use this on any other page, and thus you can't really change different factors for different types of products. Every blank product would go through this if you don't bypass it. So if I click on the widget, you will see here are all the View Blank Product settings that we can control. So I can control how big this image is, or its location, left and right, and then how big it is. How big these image product views are and where they are located. So if I don't want them to the left, I'll put them on the bottom. And again, I have them at 100. I can make them even larger. I can choose to show inventory levels link, show the request to quote link, show custom fields, and even the custom fields description. I can choose to show the prices for just the decoration, just the blank price, or both. I can choose if the customer can add blank products to the cart. This is very important because by allowing them to add it to a cart, we're actually allowing them to buy the product blank. If we don't have this on, then they really can't easily buy it blank. We can change the text for the button. We can choose to allow the customer to share this product through social media. We can choose to show the full product description. We can choose to show the product name. I don't know why you wouldn't, or actually where it's located, at the top, or it can be over here. I can choose to show the product code, the brand logo, and then where this description is located. So over here is the properties panel. So that's where it is currently. Down here are the extra details. So sometimes when I build a site, I actually put it in the extra details. So let's go ahead and do that. And then the sizing is also down here, and so is the shipping information. The product breakdowns position, I could put that really again in the extra details if I want, or again it'll be in the properties if I want. Product discount, same thing. Maybe I put it in the very bottom. Maybe I put it below everything else. The bottom panel is below everything. I can choose where I want to show the related products, extra images, and then I can also choose how I want these extra details to display. So right now they're expandable blocks. If you click the plus, it opens up. Looks nice. You also have blocks, which would be actually just stacking everything. It's essentially how it would be in the properties panel, but it's below the Start Designing button. And then my favorite probably is the tabs. So the tabs will allow you to display this information very easily to switch in between. Again, it's kind of similar to the blocks, but it's actually showing some of the content by default. So as you can see, there's lots of settings here, and remember, you're configuring it for every blank product that comes through this page. So not terribly tedious, very important because again, every page or every product goes through this page. If you have any questions on how to configure the blank product page, you can come up to the very top and search our many great help articles, or raise a support ticket with Client Services, who is there to help you whenever you have questions or you're running into problems. Hopefully you find this video helpful, and thank you for watching.